Hi, I am Srishti Sanjay Patil and I am applying for Masters of Science in Information Systems at California State University, Long Beach. I would like to take this opportunity to tell you about my academic experiences, the reason for choosing this program, why CSU Long Beach, and how this will help me to achieve my goals. My undergrad degree in computer engineering has played a key role in developing my interest in MSIS. It gave me a comprehensive exposure to the subjects like database management system, data warehousing and mining, principles of management, management information system, etc. This academic curriculum fascinated me and helped me to blend my technical knowledge with the management requirements of the industrial world. By the end of second year, to enhance my skills and to get practical experience in the field, I worked as an intern in web development at Technocraft Institute, Nasik, where I worked on some live projects and got a hand on technologies like HTML, Bootstrap, Java, JavaScript, CSS, PHP, SQL, etc. Getting proficient at these technologies, I developed my third year mini project based on web development and developed a website for sports club management system. Also developed fourth year major project based on full stack web development where we used Django Stack for developing a system for exploring higher education options. From these projects, I learned about different frameworks and different technologies. I learned about the frameworks like Django and .NET. I also learned about how to coordinate with a team, how to meet the client requirements, etc. While working on the third year project, my mind struck with the thought to digitalize my city so that it can meet the standards of this advanced tech world. Soon with the coursework, me and my team commenced a startup. The main objective of the startup was to provide an all-in-one platform for business market through website plus web app. Ultimately, we didn't launch the startup because of some investment and investor related issues. But here I got the clear perception about the subject areas like business process design, supply chain management, inventory management, data handling and analysis, etc. This experience made me realize the need of every organization to harness with technology in order to excel in this highly challenging world. So, to keep up with the advancement in the field of information systems and to prepare myself to meet the demanding standards of this industrial world, I wish to pursue a graduate program in MSIS from your esteemed university. Holding undergraduate degree in computer engineering and integrating my subject areas of interest, I know this degree will best serve me to become a scholar researcher. As USA is one of the countries providing huge platform for many global opportunities and as it is the home for many successful companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, etc., I envisage myself working as a project manager or business process analyst in one of such company. I know I will make the best in the job I do. I have a passion for working with others to obtain a common goal. And I would love the chance to build a successful team and to be a best asset to the company I work in. A master's degree from an accomplished university like California State University, Long Beach will annex my skills and will help me to pursue my goals. Also, after going through the website, I am impressed by the MSIS curriculum it provides. I am also fascinated by the experiences and the research work of the Professor Ying Liu. I am really excited to study under his guidance. To sum it up, I am ready to walk an extra mile to add value to my qualification. Finally, I take this opportunity to thank you for enabling me express myself and I hope to meet you all soon. Thank you.